We will be using two tools for keyword research. The first one is Keyword Revealer. There are a few reasons it's better to use this than the Google AdWords Keyword Planner. This tool gives you a good estimate of organic competition in the SERPs. You can't get that from the Google AdWords Keyword Planner. This tool has several filters you can apply to keyword lists. This makes searching for the right keywords very easy. It's inexpensive. It costs just $9.97 a month for the basic plan, which is all you need to do keyword research. There are a lot of other tools that you can use, Keyword K9, Longtail Pro, and others, but they are more expensive. Keyword Revealer has just about everything we are interested in. The keyword difficulty score, which we will discuss in a short while, is as accurate as that of any other tool. In fact, the keyword difficulty score is all that we are really interested in. To generate keyword lists, we will be using other tools.